Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. Today we are diving deep into the topic that has been making major waves across the global markets. The interim zero tariff trade deal signaled between India and United States. And trust me, whether you are an electrical car, iconic motorcycle enthusiast, or the related to medicines, this deal has huge implications. For months, we have seen headlines about trade tensions, geopolitical shifts, and the constant dance of international economics. But recently, a groundbreaking agreement has started to take shape, promising to reshape key sectors and redefining the economic relationship between the two of the world's largest democracies. We're talking about the deal that has been carefully crafted to open doors for some while strategically protecting the interest of others. So, what exactly is the deal and why it is so significant? Well, after considerable negotiation, the US and India have moved towards an interim trade agreement, which at its core involves reciprocal tariff reductions. Think of it as strategic olive branch designed to boost bilateral trade from its current level and laid a groundwork for more comprehensive free trade agreement down the line. It's a clear signal of the strengthening economic ties, especially in the context of global supply chain diversification. Now let's talk about the big names that immediately come to mind. Tesla, Harley-Davidson. These aren't just vehicles, they are symbol of American manufacturing and lifestyle. For years, companies like Harley have faced significant hurdles in Indian market due to high import tariffs, sometimes reaching as much as 100%. This made their product astronomically expensive for the average Indian consumer, limiting their market penetration. The good news for Harley fans, this new deal is set to significantly reduce and in some cases eliminate tariffs on specific category of imported motorcycles, particularly those with higher engine capacities. Think 800cc and the above. This is a massive win for brands like Harley Davidson, potentially making their iconic bike much more accessible and affordable in India. Imagine more Harleys, thundering down Indian highways, and this isn't just about motorcycles. It's about signaling India's willingness to open up its premium consumer goods market. But what about Tesla? The electric vehicle giant led by Elon Musk has been eyeing the Indian market for years. India, with its massive population and growing middle class, represents an enormous untapped market for EVs. However, Tesla has also faced challenges with India's high import duties, which have made their vehicle prohibitively expensive. This deal, while celebrated for other sectors, has a nuanced story when it comes to Tesla. Surprisingly, electric vehicles like those from Tesla were not part of the initial zero tariff provisions in this interim agreement. This is a critical point. While India is keen on promoting local manufacturing through its Make in India initiative, it is also balancing global trade demands. The exclusion of EV from this specific interim deal suggests that the negotiations for Tesla's entry and potential tariff reductions are still ongoing, likely linked to Tesla's commitment to local manufacturing within India. So while Harley gets a green light, Tesla road into India is still under construction. Beyond the roar of engines, one of the biggest beneficiaries of the deal is India's colossal pharmaceutical sector. India is often called the pharmacy of the world, producing a vast majority of generic medicines used globally. This interim agreement is set to provide a significant boost to Indian pharma exports to the US, potentially opening up new avenues and reducing existing barriers. We are talking about estimated additional $10 billion boost in exports from India. This isn't just about revenue. It's about solidifying India's role as a reliable and affordable supplier of essential medicines to the US. In an era where the global health security is paramount, strengthening this supply chain is a win win for both nations. It means more affordable drugs for American consumers and a stronger, more robust pharmaceutical industry in India, driving innovation and employment. Now, here is where the deal gets even more fascinating. How India is protecting its vital domestic sectors while opening doors to American industrial goods and services. India has drawn clear red lines when it comes to its agriculture sector, particularly dairy and grains. This interim agreement explicitly protects those sectors from influx of cheaper American imports. Why is this crucial? For India, agriculture is not an industry, it's a way of life for millions of small farmers. Protecting these sectors is vital for food security and rural livelihood and preventing market disruption that could devastate local producers. This strategic move highlights India's commitment to safeguarding its vulnerable domestic industries even as it embraces global trade. It's a testament to a complex balancing act every nations perform in international negotiations, seeking growth while preserving internal stability. So there you have it. The India-US trade deal is multifaceted agreement signaling a new era of cooperation and strategic economic partnership, from making iconic Harleys more accessible to boosting India's pharma export and safeguarding local dairy. The deal is testament to intricate dance of global commerce. It's a bold step forward, promising to reshape the industries and strengthen the bond between two powerful nations. So, friends, what do you think about this deal? Are you excited for more Harleys on Indian roads, or do you wish Tesla had been included in this round as well? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more in-depth analysis, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out our next update. Thanks for watching, and I will see you once again in the next one very soon.